Wisconsin Department of Transportation is obviously kind of a big deal for an internship, and it just drew my attention. And then the description sounded like it fitted perfectly what I wanted.
I've only been working with environmental in school for 1 semester, so it was a good opportunity to get more in depth with some other stuff, see some of the possible career choices that I have.
Most valuable thing is probably the knowledge, whether it be professional or just how to network and socialize in a professional environment.
This environment is very positive, and there's a sense of community, and everyone gets along well. So that was definitely something that I liked from the get-go.
I get to be outside all day. I'm not stuck at a desk. I get to interact with other interns, and it's pretty cool. I get to explore the entire state.
If I like to do bridges, I can work on that, or if I like to work on roads or culverts, just to gain that general insight to help further my career development.
The DOT's got a wide variety of positions that are applicable to civil engineering, so that was what made me choose this, and it's been a really good fit.
I'm really enjoying learning more about my field and learning new skills, and I actually also really like the people that I work with, and it's really flexible. It's a good gig.